Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a welcome post to your Facebook page. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. So first you need to open your Facebook page by clicking your profile picture on the top right corner and choosing the page you want to write the welcome post to. Then here, after how healthy is your page, you're gonna click write a welcome post. Now I am going to give you some advice about how to structure your welcome post. First, think about your audience. Who are they? What do they want to know about you? Understanding your audience will help you create a post that resonates with them. Next, decide on the tone of your post. Do you want it to be formal, friendly, or fun? Tone should reflect your personality or brand. This will make the post feel authentic and relatable. Third step is writing the actual message. Start with a friendly greeting like "Hello everyone" or "Welcome to my page", then introduce yourself briefly. The fourth step is to make sure to invite your audience to engage. You can ask questions like "What topics are you interested in?" or encourage them to leave a comment. This helps to create a community feel. And the fifth step is to please don't forget to include visuals. A great image or video can make your post stand out in the feed. Choose something that represents you or your content well. Once you crafted the post, it's time to publish it. Share it at a time when your audience is most active. You can also promote it on your stories or other social media platforms. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.